Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Plumino Morin, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer Ethereum into your Ledger hardware wallet. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button because it motivates me to create more crypto content and tutorials for you. And please give this video a like because it tells me that you find the content helpful and useful. Thank you very much. Let's go straight into today's class. So this week has been quite brutal in the cryptoverse, but it has also presented amazing buying opportunities at tremendous discount. So today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer Ethereum into your Ledger hardware wallet. So let's get started. Step 1, log into Ledger Live. So go ahead and enter your password. So once you're logged into Ledger Live, this is going to show synchronizing. So we're going to wait for this to be done. So now that this is synchronized already, next you're going to go under Manager. So this is where you're now going to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer and you're going to unlock it. So go ahead and connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer. So right on your Ledger hardware wallet, it says allow Ledger Manager on device. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on these two buttons on your Ledger. So go ahead and click it at the same time. So right here it shows Ledger Nano X and it says firmware up to date. Make sure that your firmware is up to date. If it's not, always update it first before installing any app. Okay, so if you don't have Ethereum installed on your app already, you're just gonna come on this app catalog. You're gonna search for Ethereum. So you see right here it's already installed, but if you've not installed Ethereum on your Ledger, you're just gonna click on install, and once it's installed on your device, it's gonna read installed, just as it's seen in this green icon here. So once we've installed Ethereum on our Ledger device, step 2, you're gonna get the Ethereum wallet address. So for you to do that, you're gonna come under receive. Again, we're gonna be sending Ethereum into Ledger, and for us to do that, you're going to click on receive, and this is going to allow us to receive Ethereum on Ledger. So you're going to come here and click on this drop down, click on Ethereum. Here you can see it says please only send ETH or Ethereum token to the Ethereum account. So you're just going to click on continue. So again, I'm going to enter my PIN on my Ledger hardware wallet. Now on my Ledger, it says open the Ethereum app. So I'm going to double click on the two buttons on my Ledger hardware wallet. So go ahead and do that. Now my Ledger hardware wallet reads application ready. So again, this is my own Ethereum address. So the next thing that we're going to do, either you copy this address here, it says address copied, or you have the option to just use the QR code, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, simultaneously on your Ledger hardware wallet, it's going to display the same address. So what you're going to do is to verify the accuracy of this address on your Ledger hardware wallet. So you're going to look at this strings of numbers and alphabet and make sure that it's the same as what is displayed on your Ledger. Now my Ledger device reads verify address, so I'm going to click on the right button. Now this same address is displayed. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to look at the first 5 or 6 letters and the last 5 or 6 letters just to confirm the accuracy. It's usually the same. So the next thing, you're going to click on the right button and it reads approve. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the 2 buttons. These 2 buttons on your Ledger hardware wallet, you're going to click on it at the same time. So go ahead and do that. Now my Ledger hardware wallet reads application is ready. So I'm just going to click on done here. Step 3, log into ShakePay right on your phone. Then we're going to go and log into our ShakePay wallet. Usually when you want to send Ethereum or Bitcoin from ShakePay, this can only be done from your phone. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to log into ShakePay on my phone. So right now I'm going to log into ShakePay. So go ahead and log into ShakePay. So right here you can see that I have 0.1439 Ethereum. Step 4, we're going to transfer Ethereum from ShakePay to our Ledger wallet. So what we're going to do is right on your phone, you're going to click on send. So go ahead and do that. So next thing, there are 2 ways for you to send Ethereum. You can either just copy this address and paste it right here, or you can just click on this toggle, this 4 squares here. Usually this is much easier. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this 4 squares right on your phone, and also click on this show QR code. Go ahead and click on it. So the QR code is displayed. So once you click on this, the camera on your phone is already activated. So just bring it close to this QR code. So go ahead and do that. Bring it close to this QR code. And once you do that, this address is going to automatically populate on your phone. So you can see this is the same address on your Ledger. Look at it, here is the same thing. So I want to send the maximum, and remember, when you're sending Ethereum from ShakePay, the minimum that you can send is 0.1. Okay, so I'm going to be sending all of this. So click on max. Next, you're going to click on continue. So it shows you confirm transaction that you're going to be transferring this amount of Ethereum to this address. Just click on confirm right on your phone. And it says you sent this Ethereum to this address. So you can close out of this on your phone. You can see my balance is now 0. So I'm not going to go back into my Ledger Live to see if the Ethereum that we just sent has already arrived. So you can close out of ShakePay. Click on done. So if you just click on portfolio and scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see that it shows that I just received Ethereum. You can see it here. I'm going to click on this. So you can see that the Ethereum that I just sent from ShakePay is now in my Ledger wallet. So as I often say, it's important for you to protect and store your crypto on an external wallet, and the best one out there is the Ledger Nano X. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your crypto wallet. Okay, we've come to the end of today's class. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section below and click on the like button. It motivates me to create more crypto content and tutorials for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'm Blumino Morin, and I'll see you in the next class.